You know what? When it comes to computers and smart devices, there is always something new to learn or improve upon. Welcome back to the channel. Today I share with you 5 smart tricks that you can use as you go about your business with computers. If you are a student, a graduate, a businessman or woman, and you go about your business with computers, this one is for you. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share for everybody to learn from this video.
The first one we take a look at is snapping windows. Whenever you are working on several windows or several open files at the same time on your computer and you want to be able to move it easily so that your work won't be difficult for you, all you have to do is you use the Windows sign on your keyboard. You press on the Windows key and use the arrow signs, the Windows key on the keyboard and the arrow signs. What will happen is that it will move the window to the four corners of the screen, giving you enough space to take a look at other files or other open files. You know, whenever we use our computer, the word to undo stuff is mostly found all the time because it is used to correct the little mistakes we make in the course or in the usage of our machines. Do you know that to undo fixes almost every action on your computer? With the use of Ctrl plus Z is the ultimate hotkey. It is not only used in typing to undo mistakes that we have made on our documents. Whenever we accidentally delete files or documents on our computer, you can as well use undo to bring it back and then use Control Y to redo whatever we have done, like this. The third one we take a look at is password protect your very important files and documents to prevent unauthorized access. How do you do it? You password protect your files with an application called WinRAR. Use the WinRAR application to password protect your files. Let me show you how it is done. All you do is you have your file you want to protect with WinRAR. You right click on the file and select WinRAR and click on Add to WinRAR. An interface will appear. When the interface appears, you type the archive name and then you check the lock archive checkbox and then you check the delete files after archiving checkbox. You click on set password to put your password on it. After putting your password on it, re-enter the password to verify it. Make sure the password you entered is correct and then click on OK. You will be asked to type your password whenever you want to access the file in the archive. Window cycling. With window cycling, you get the opportunity of cycling through or seeing through all the open files on your screen at the same time and choose which one you want to work on. With window cycling, the difference between window cycling and window snapping is that with window snapping, you get to position the window at the corner of your screen so you can have time for the other files or the file you are working on. But with window cycling, you get to see through all the files at the same time and choose which one you want to work on and will be on top of the rest of the files. So with window cycling, all you do is you press and hold the alternate key or the Alt key on your keyboard plus Tab, Alt, Tab to cycle through open files or windows on your PC. Try it out, leave your comment in the comment section. You can as well use the Alt or alternate plus Escape to cycle through open files. The last one we take a look at is YouTube keyboard shortcuts. Whenever we find ourselves on YouTube watching videos from Make the Most TV, and you are listening to one of my videos, and for some reason you have to pause the video. Normally, we thought using the space bar to pause the video was effective. Let's try using K for pausing the video. When we play it, let's use J and L to move either backward or forward for 10 seconds. And then use M to mute the video. The bonus tip I'll add to it is on your computer keyboard, there is a key called print screen. In order to take a screen capture, just tap on the print screen to take a screen capture. As easy as that.
With continuous practice, you will be able to perform these functions easily. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share for everyone to enjoy.